I don't man no want get out. Good me a turn back we a fi give him good. Me a turn side we a
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Bless upon yourself first and foremost from Holland, is me. So we are kick it off short and spicy. So subscribe if you're new, and we could start it like this now. So Candy Wow officially back on her feet, guys. But no, I did do a video and me that say yo somebody need for go help her in a techno and see there. So right now she are going to bag of things, make new song and is me. So let me show you what I'm going.
Julian. Yeah. Did you pack the box for Canada and the one for America? Yeah, but then they didn't order them since then. They ordered them since then.
You want then because of the full gym suit?
No, I'm going to ask you if the box is ready.
No, I'm not talking to you. I'm not
So
talking to you.
cancel now.
So that's the full gym suit. You're telling me other things I order when you come.
So what's in the gloves as well? I need gloves. Step some gloves. I'm saying some gloves. I want to be food in you. I'm going to put them
You have somebody right now. You have somebody in sorry.
Where one?
Yes, the full was supposed to be the extra tomorrow and something like that.
So those two. Anything else you put for Canada?
This one I said it would be 2 hours. She would be said I said she need to push up bar, but she didn't have this my order. I'm going to go and then open order very soon after you do. I don't know what I think you're before. Okay, say order three. Yeah, because I said you put one to this thing.
Judy.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Hey, good.
You can't hear me?
But she want to you can't force her to stay.
Yeah. Yeah. May I do something so I call you back. You're good?
Hi, Ricardo.
Yeah, man, all this, but however, I went through them, but Neil hasn't gone through them with me yet. And I don't want to, I just want to show him what I'm going with before I send, I definitively send it off to you. Yeah, man. All right, I appreciate it. Thanks.
What you want to do?
Just make a make sure you can find it.
What about the Sagicor person? The Sagicor team. No Sagicor, the UE.
Wat je foto doen. Door?
Não foto, né? Não vai fazer.
Hola.
Nakita. I'm not there today, but give Peter your information and we'll get it with the chocolate tomorrow for you. Please. No. Just
Oh, it's
ready
ready?
for the name of 6911. Yeah. This. I have no problem with that. My aunt, every morning. Wait a minute.
cellula may work on. Yes, Makita. 8459611. Ini sebenarnya kan Makita dulu. Makita. 575. 5774. Hello? Let's see. Here are
Flower fikir ni orang apa?
Thank you.